What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, I do have a case from Smartish. They were kind enough to send me out the Grip Zilla for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So we're just going to unbox this and try it out on the device. I'll tell you some of my thoughts, but it says it has mighty protective. It's mighty protective. It has grooved sides and it's beastly gripped. And this is the black tie affair. This is the color that they sent me out for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's go to their website so we can see how much this case will cost you if you would like to pick it up for yourself. So this is the Grip Zilla, which is this case right here. This case currently runs you $29.99 plus tax, but don't worry, I will have a link in the description so you can go pick this up for yourself. So now let's see the colors. So they sent me the black tie affair. Then you can also get it in the gray area, which that looks really nice. I feel like if you have that natural gray, that will really go good with that. Then you can get it in spaced out, which is very nice. And the final color is Graspin' Aspen, and that looks nice also. So first, let's unbox this and let's see what we're working with. And that is a very, very different how that opens up just like that. I like that. It's a nice touch. So there's nothing else in the box. Here is the Grip Zilla, and it has MagSafe capability. As you can see, it says Smartish, and that's the MagSafe ring in the inside. This is just what they say it is. This is a Grip Zilla, so this has a lot of grip to it, and I love the way this feels in my hand. It has all these different kind of grooves. I do not have to worry about this sliding out of my hand, and this is nice and thin. It adds no bulk to your device because this already is a lightweight device with the new material, titanium. So on this side you get access to your power button. It's nice and clicky. Down here you do get feet. I like to call these feet. So if it drops on the corner of the table, you should know you're good and protected, because I do. On this side you get your button for your action button. It's actually a button, and it's nice and clicky. You do get access to your volume up and down button, which are nice and clicky. On this side also, on the side you get all these little kind of grips and grooves. That's why it's called the Grip Zilla. And on the back here you get a nice cutout for your camera cutout. So if you place it flat down on the table, I know you will be good to go. And on the bottom here it does say Smartish. And down here, like I said, you do get every cutout that you're supposed to have. So now let's test it out with wireless charging, MagSafe, and we'll also use the old USB Type-C charger. So first, wireless charging is working just fine, like it should. But don't worry, if you do not have a MagSafe wireless charger, you can also just wireless charge it with no problem. Let's see how hard or easy it is to use your USB charging port cable. Easy, just like that. And like I said, I will have a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. But before I end this video, I do want to bring over something else that they were kind enough to send me out. And this is called the Smartish Side Hustle. So pretty much this is just a vegan leather card holder to hold your cards. It has MagSafe capability. It secures 3 cards, and it's highly attractive. So now let's go over to their website once again, and let's see how much the Side Hustle will cost you, which is right here. This is the Side Hustle. This is what it looks like. I'm sure you can get this in other colors. Right now this is currently running you $24.99 plus tax. So now we're going to open it up like so, and let's try it on the case. And like I said, you get that nice little pouch that just slides out there. This is just indicating that it is MagSafe capable. And there is your MagSafe ring on the back, which says Smartish, and here's some fake cards in the inside that we will use for the sake of the video, because I can't have my information going out to the public like that, so we'll just use that. But this is what the back looks like. This is what it is, vegan leather. It feels and smells good, so you just clasp it onto your device, and this is that look that you will get if you want to use this with your Grip Zilla. Of course, if you lay it on the table, you're not going to get a flat lay because you have something bulging on the back. And of course, if you're using this, you will not get access to wirelessly charging your device. You would have to use the cable to charge your device if you have it connected to the side hustle. But this does look and feel good, and it says it holds up to 3 cards. I don't have another card to test, but I'm sure they are telling the truth. But overall, I do love the look and the feel of this case, and that it has this accessory called the side hustle. That is a fun name. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.